This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the code and environment. Log into your KFC account or choose Guest Checkout and add the eligible items to your cart. Once done, double-check minimum spend requirements and exclusion rules so the code isn't rejected at checkout. Make sure the code is copied exactly, including hyphens or capital letters, since small differences matter. Now proceed to the payment page and keep the code on your clipboard for quick pasting. On the checkout screen, find the promo or coupon field, often near order summary. You paste the code, press apply, and watch the order total recalc. This confirms success. If the discount doesn't appear, remove and re-add items or try a different browser or the KFC app, because session issues sometimes block validation. Also verify the code's expiry and item eligibility. Understanding those rules prevents wasted attempts. Continue only after you see the discount reflected in the final price. Finalize by confirming the discounted total, then select payment and place the order. You should receive an order confirmation number. If the code fails at this stage, try an alternate payment method or switch from app to browser, because token/session conflicts can interfere. As a last resort, take a screenshot of the promo, error, and your cart, then contact KFC support with your order ID. This gives them needed context. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or use incognito to bypass stale session data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.